Hello, my name is Anne Egrube, Vine Cakes. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for your beautiful comments. Thank you for liking our videos. Thank you for subscribing. And in case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel so that you can get inspired videos from us. And thank you for all those who have subscribed. And please don't forget to turn on the notification bell, okay? That way you'll be able to get updates on our latest videos. In today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can make some fantastic designs using the regular or normal sugar sail recipe. Yes, we have a very beautiful sugar sail recipe on our channel, so if you haven't watched it, I encourage you to watch it. That will help you a lot to achieve what I'm about to teach today. Okay, I'm still going to use that same recipe to create flower effects. Okay, yeah, you're just going to be using a mold, a silicone mold. Yeah, I'm talking about the regular silicone molds that we use for our fondant designs. Yeah, with this you can achieve some beautiful designs on your cakes. Okay, so we're going to be using that same recipe, which is 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon glucose syrup, and 75 ml water. Okay, we are going to cook our sugar syrup to our granulated sugar to a crystallized point to enable us achieve this. Like I said, if you haven't watched our sugar syrup tutorial, please do. It's still the same recipe I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm going to be using our silicone mold. I don't know, this is familiar, isn't it? Some of us may still have this, but I've never thought of how to use it outside and other than using it for baking. And these are some of our regular molds. Okay, with this we can create beautiful lollies for our cake decoration. All right, so we're going to go straight away to take our measurements. Like I said, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon glucose syrup, and 75 ml of water. And we have our color also ready. So we're going to take our measurements straight away and start heating up our sugar into a crystallized state. So I'm just pouring my syrup into my silicone mold. Okay, it depends on the size you want. If you want it big, then you need to like expand it a little, spread it out a little. Okay, this is okay. to set. Okay, we're just going to give it some time to set. Okay. So we're going to allow it to set, then we'll bring it out. Yeah, our sugar is set, as you can see. It's firm enough, and at this point it can easily pop out. Okay, so I'm going to be bringing them out. All right, this is out. Okay, you can see how nice it is. It also tastes very delicious. You can also add some flavors to it. Okay, preferably fruity flavors. Fruity flavors are more preferred. Okay, all right, here we are. So at this point we can just stick our lollipop, attach our lollipop stick to it from behind, or you can use your skewer stick to attach it. Okay, so I'm going to attach this. This is the front view and this is behind. I'm going to just using melted sugar syrup, and just one hand and you're good. So this is ready, as you can see. I'm going to bring out this one now. Yeah, it's firm enough. You have to allow it to properly dry before attempting to bring it out. Okay, so that it doesn't get broken. So here we are. Here we are. Wow. So here we are. You can do this for your cream cakes. You can do this for your especially children themed birthday cakes. It's wonderful. It tastes very nice, very tasty and crunchy. Easy to make with affordable and available materials. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to our channel. If you haven't turned on your notification bell, please do so that you get notification on all our videos. Okay, you'll get notification as soon as we upload a new video. Thank you.